In this video, let's see the plight of driving day to day in Chennai traffic. Everyone say it's being so hard to drive the city. The main problem is road users doesn't want to change, but they keep blaming it on the other road user. First, the change must come from within. If each person change and they just start driving properly, then there wouldn't be these many problems on the road. Many complain it on the infrastructure, but the actual problem is not just the infrastructure. People not obeying rules and no one wants to change. Now let's see it live, what all problems we face day to day on Chennai roads. See how much government is enforcing to wear helmets. In daylight, two people are going without helmets in peak time. They are wrong side driving. Already the roads are very narrow because of metro rail work in progress. And between this, people are driving in wrong side. What all to focus, I am not sure. Unexpected sudden lane change. I was not even expecting a person to change lane. I was not even expecting that person will change lane. Suddenly put on the indicator and he just like that turned. Almost a right angle turn. Almost a 90-degree turn. This is all happening within 2 kilometers of driving. See the car in front of me is driving in center lane, not even going to left or right, is very slow as well. So much of traffic is piled behind it. Please avoid driving in both lanes. Either drive it on the left if you are driving slow or drive it on the right if you are driving fast. See, 3 people are going in a scooter which is very small. It's very difficult to sit 3 people in that car, in that bike. Stop lane is to stop the car before the stop lane. Hardly few respect that rule. Zebra crossing is for pedestrians. All vehicles are crossing the stop lane and they are going and stopping on the zebra crossing. Even if you stop before the stop lane, everybody are honking from behind, pushing us to go forward, even if there is a red signal. I really don't understand why is everybody in a hurry. When the signal is going to be green, you can really move.